Every trader has that one problem. They forget why they traded, not just what they traded. We've all been there, right? You open a chart, take a trade, and by the end of the day, you're wondering what even drove that click. That's exactly why we built the trade entry page at Traders Journal to track not only your data but also your mindset, all in one smooth flow. Because sometimes the biggest trade is the one between your logic and your emotions. Every great trade actually starts before you place an order. Yeah, the part most traders skip. The warm up section is your quick self check. How are you feeling today? What's your market bias? Are you truly ready to take risk or just chasing a move? 15 seconds of honest awareness can save you from hours of regret later. Sometimes that's the difference between a plan and a panic. So take a breath, set your intention, and then let the chart speak. Now it's time for the quick trade section. For those fast paced days, log trades in seconds using simple natural language. Just type APPL profit 230 today at 10:05. Tag news trade and watch how the system automatically fills your details, calculates fees, and adds tags. It's fast, intuitive, and powered by AI. Kinda feels like the journal just gets you, right? Want to go deeper? The detail logging view lets you capture every part of your setup, your pre-trade notes, entry chart, strategy checklist, and expected risk to reward. This isn't just data entry, it's building consistency. Every detail you log here becomes valuable insight for your future self. B. Trade details. Next up, your core trade details. Log your exact entry, exit, price, time, quantity, and trade type. These aren't just numbers, they are the backbone of your performance metrics. Precise data means precise improvement. C. Post trade psychology. And finally, reflect. Was it a rule based trade or an emotional one? Be honest, we've all been there. Add your post trade notes, attach your exit screenshots, and tag it for review. Because growth doesn't come from just what you did, it comes from what you felt and learned. That's how you turn trading into mastery, one reflection at a time.
Whether you are a beginner or a pro, your trades deserve context, not chaos. Every click, every note, every decision, it all matters when you see the full picture. Start logging smarter with Traders Journal, where every trade tells your story. Because great traders don't just trade the market, they learn from themselves.